Hello and welcome to this flash demo on how to build a custom Florey. In this flash demo, I'm going to show you how to create your own Floreys for your practice to use and attach SNOMED codes both to the Florey itself and the answers. To get started, you just want to go to your initials in the toolbar, the drop down to where it says Manage Organization, and it will load up this page. If you scroll down on this page to where it says AccuRx Desktop, you'll see an option to manage templates. And on the right hand side, you'll be able to see a tab where you can select your practice name and then Floreys. This will take you to view all of the custom Florey questionnaires that have already been set up by your practice. And if none have been created yet, you won't see anything in these drafted Floreys down here. To get started, you just want to click Create Florey Questionnaire. And you can give it a name. I can edit this name if I wish. I can add some questions. I can add a maximum of 15 questions. And you can write that question out. And you can also add a description. After that, you'll be able to write the answer that the patient can select. You can only create multiple choice questions rather than free text answers for the patient. And you can add another answer as well. And you can add a SNOMED code to that as well. You can then save that question. And you can continue adding questions if you'd like with the appropriate answers. Or you can go to Save and Next. Here you'll be able to write the message that gets sent to the patient and appears on the first page of the Florey questionnaire. And you can add a SNOMED code to that as well. And you can click Save and Next. Finally, you'll be able to write the message that appears on the final page of the Florey questionnaire. And you can add a SNOMED code as well. This SNOMED code will be saved to the patient's record if the Florey is completed and the response is saved. And then you can click Save and Next. So that's your Florey that's been created. You now choose where the response is returned to and which groups handle the responses of this Florey questionnaire that you've created. For example, I might want this Florey to return to the admin team. So I can click Save and Done. And I can either save this Florey for testing, which means I can send it to a test patient just to begin with, or I can publish it if I'm happy with it. And that means that it can be sent to real patients on the AccuRx Desktop or batch messaging. So this is the Florey that I've got created here. I can go to edit it if I wish. If I want it to be available to send to everyone and for everyone at the practice to send, I can just select Publish. I can now send this out as a test. So I just go to the message icon to compose my message. And you'll see that it pulls in my test patient. I can just go to this tab here, which is Search for a template or questionnaire. And I can either search directly, and that's the one I've just got created, or I can go into Florey questionnaires and browse rather than type it in. I can now click Send Now, and once the patient responds, it will return to the admin team, which is the team that I'd selected. That's it for this flash demo today. Thank you so much for watching.